A very good morning, my dear students of class 7. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is excretory system. So this is the first part of this chapter. In this video, the topics which we are going to cover is excretion. What is excretion? Excretory products in human beings and excretory system in human beings. So let us start with excretion. Our body performs various metabolic activities. These activities result in the formation of certain waste material in our body that are toxic. So in our body, many metabolic activities are going on without our knowledge, and because of that, certain waste materials are also produced in our body which are poisonous. Toxic means poisonous. These materials are called excretory materials. In common terms, we call it waste products which are not required by the body. If such materials are retained in the body, they may harm the body or in severe cases cause death of the individual. Suppose if we allow these toxic or the poisonous substances to remain in our body, then it may be very, very dangerous. Even a person can die because of this. So all these waste products or materials should come out of your body, and the process by which the body does this is called excretion. Here you can see the process of removal of such waste material from the body is called excretion. This is the definition. The system which performs the function of excretion is called excretory system. The system which supports this is called excretory system. This is one of the organ systems. The special organs involved in the removal of the waste products from our body are called excretory organs. So system is called excretory system, and the organs which are involved in this system are called, in this process, are called excretory organs. Excretory organs in human body system are liver, kidneys, lungs and skin. With kidneys, they help in formation of urine. Lungs, they give out carbon dioxide, and with the skin and sweat glands we sweat, so excess of water comes out of our body. These are various ways the body does the excretion. So here you can see 4 major organs, that is skin, liver, kidney and lungs. Rectum is also there, not major organ. Okay, what is important here is this definition. The process of removal of waste materials from the body is called excretion. Excretory products in human beings. It was already told that because of the metabolic activities, many waste products are formed in our body that has to be taken out of the body. So let us talk about this excretory products or waste products. The first one is nitrogenous waste products. The breakdown of excess of protein molecules in our body leads to the formation of nitrogenous waste products. So when the breakdown of protein molecules take place in our body, then we have got nitrogenous waste products, and they are ammonia, urea and uric acid. They are very harmful, ammonia and urea especially. Kidney plays an important role in removal of such waste materials. If these waste material are there in your body and remain inside for a longer duration, then the person may die also. So it has to be eliminated from the body, and here kidney plays a very important role in removal of these nitrogenous waste products. So always remember, these nitrogenous waste products are ammonia, urea and uric acid. Here you can see ammonia, urea and uric acid. You need not to know the chemical formula, but for your knowledge you can see that this is highly toxic ammonia. Urea is moderately toxic. Uric acid is not that toxic. It's less harmful to the body. Next excretory product is bile pigments. It is because of the liver. The bile pigments are formed in the liver by the breakdown of hemoglobin in the dead red cells. So in the red blood cells you have got hemoglobin. When the hemoglobin is broken down, you get the bile pigments. Now most of these bile pigments are released in the feces. That means the waste products which come out of the anus, while some are excreted through the urine also. So most of it goes in the feces, but some can come through the urine also. Now what is feces? It's a product of egestion. As you remember, ingestion and egestion. Ingestion is taking in of food and egestion is taking out of the waste products through the anus, and is result of defecation. It is not a direct product of any of the four major organs of excretion. So four major organs you have already seen in the first slide. So it's not from there. It is not formed from a metabolic reaction. Defecation means discharge of feces from the body. Then some more excretory products we have. Number 3, we have got carbon dioxide. So whenever we talk about the excretory products, we always think about feces and urine only. But when you exhale the air through your nose and carbon dioxide or the air rich in carbon dioxide comes out, that is also the excretory product of your body. Carbon dioxide is expelled out of the body through lungs. So lungs plays a very vital role here. So you can see the gas carbon dioxide comes out through the nose. However, water gets reabsorbed in the body. So water is required in the body, so the body absorbs it. Further, the excess of water is removed either through the kidneys as urine or through sweat glands as sweat from the skin. So carbon dioxide comes out through the lungs, but water is absorbed by the body for future use. And suppose if there is excess of water, either it comes out as urine by the kidneys, or else through the sweat glands it comes out on your skin as sweat. So sweat is also the excretory product. The excess water comes out of your body. Carbon dioxide comes out through the lungs. You can see in the diagram. So here you can see how lungs and skin are eliminating the excretory products. Next we have got excess salt. There is certain requirement of salt in the body. For example, we take sodium, which is a salt. It is required by the body, and minimum amount should be there which is required by the body. Otherwise, again you will have some medical problems. The excess of salt are removed from the body through kidneys. Same way, if it is excess, it is removed from your body through the kidneys. And the last one here is excess vitamins. The excess of water soluble vitamins such as vitamin B and vitamin C, these are excreted from the body through urine. So all these things which are not required, which are excess in our body, which are the waste products, all this comes out of our body through the excretory system using the excretory organs. Now let us know about the excretory system in human beings. Urine is the major waste product in our body. So we will study about the urinary system in details in this section. So first we'll be talking about urinary system. This system has a prime role in removal of nitrogenous wastes. I told you urea, uric acid, ammonia, all these things has to come out of the body because they are poisonous, and these are also called the nitrogenous waste. So through the urinary system it comes out of our body. Now the urinary system consists of a pair of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Now look at this picture. This is the picture of excretory system. You can say this is the urinary system in human beings. This is taken from your book. So here you see a pair of kidneys. So these are pair of kidneys. Here you can see these are the two reddish brown color kidneys. So a pair of kidney. Then you can see here two tubes are there which comes out of the kidney. These are called ureter. And here at the bottom you can see this is the urinary bladder. And the last one here is urethra, through which the urine is eliminated from the body. So this is the simple diagram of the urinary system in human beings. Now we will study about this in detail. Urinary system in human beings. Now this diagram is very clear, not taken from the book. These are the blood vessels. Here you can see the pair of kidneys, and this is the one ureter. This is the place where the urine gets collected, urinary bladder, and the opening of this is urethra. Now let us start this. We will be starting with a pair of kidneys. These are the chief excretory organs. They are situated close to the back of abdominal cavity on each side of the backbone. So you can feel your backbone at your back. So both the sides of this you will have a pair of kidney. They are reddish brown in color. Kidney remove the waste such as urea, uric acid, excess salt and water from the body in the form of urine. They also help in filtration of impure blood and formation of urine. So what is the function of kidneys? They purify the blood and also they help in the formation of urine. Then you will see ureters. So there are two, you can see here, one is here, other one is here. Each one comes out of the kidneys and goes to the urinary bladder. Ureters are the tubes that emerge from each kidney. They carry urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. So these are the tube-like structures which comes out of the kidney, and then it takes the urine to the urinary bladder. The front end of the ureter is somehow expanded into the kidney. Here you can see. Once they go inside the kidney, they are expanded, and this is called the pelvis. Now next to ureter we have urinary bladder. This one, urinary bladder. It's a muscular bag-like structure. It is present towards the bottom of the abdomen. So in your body it is at the bottom of your abdomen. It helps in temporary storage of urine. So urine gets collected in this urinary bladder, and at regular interval you go and release it. The openings of ureters into the bladder are somewhat projecting and act like the valves to stop backflow of urine. So these two ureters, they go and open in the urinary bladder. Here they have got something like valve, so that whatever urine gets collected here will not go back to the kidneys. And the last one we have got urethra. From the urinary bladder emerges out a median tube called urethra. So this is the one. It is a duct, or it's a tube through which the urine passes out. Okay, so this is all about urinary system in human beings. And here you have got the four main parts, organs: the kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. So with this topic comes to an end. Let's stay home, let's stay safe, and have a great day. Thank you.